Today we're in the Aldi aisle of shame and there's so many great items I can't wait to show you. If you like the Awala, you may want to save a little bit of money and pick them up here at Aldi. Look at this price, you guys, $7.99 for these water bottles. The only thing I don't like about them is they're only 24 ounces, but sometimes I need a smaller water bottle. Like if I'm going to put it in the side of a pocket, I can't fit a huge water bottle. This would be a good option. You can get the pink, there's also green, yellow, and then they also have a little light blue back here. So these water bottle crossbody bags, I've been seeing these pop up. So these are, if you don't want to carry around your water bottle, you can use one of these bags. These are really nice. So you stick your water bottle in here. You have the long strap. You also have a smaller strap. And then what I like is it has that additional pocket in the front so you can put in your phone. They have a Sherpa option, but I feel like for the spring, I would maybe want one of these. I don't know. I really like the black one. Let's try it out. This is just a regular Awala, and it fits in really nicely. I like that it doesn't cover the top part as well. I also opened this up, you guys, and it has a section here where you could add in cards or money. Let's see if my phone fits in. Okay, that fits in great. I'm even able to zip it up. You have two options for handles. You have the long strap here that you can adjust, or you could just use the shorter strap. I have several of the diatomite stone drying caddies, and I've never seen them anywhere but on Amazon. But they have one here at Aldi. These are a pack of 2. They're gray. They do have feet on them, which mine don't, but these you can put out for like your soap or your sponges. And the cool thing about them is they dry really quickly. Now, if you're like me and you always lose your quarter, you might want to get one of these keychains. They're priced at $1.49 and you can put a quarter inside. You have all these fun little patterns. If you don't want to put it on your keychain, you could just connect it to something in your car. Okay, you guys, they brought out their foldable chairs. I feel like these are going to sell quickly. Let me show you what you can pick up. This one right here is like your outdoor, going to the soccer game chair. It's actually kind of heavy though, but you can open it up and then press that down. What I like about these is they have the table over on the side. But I will say this one is pretty nice. And you have the little table right here. This is priced right under $50. They also have these great foldable rocking chairs and these foldable recliners. They come in 2 colors, so you can get the gray or the cream. There's a ton of sunglass options. I've never seen this many sunglasses at Aldi, $4.99. This is way better than you're gonna pick them up off of Amazon. And there's a ton to choose from. They have a Ray-Ban style. These are very lightweight. Now, these stepping stones sell out quickly every year. So if you're wanting these for your grandparent gifts, Mother's Day gifts, pick them up now. They're $4.99. You have several to choose from. There's a hedgehog stepping stone option. You also have this cute heart. There's a butterfly. I love making these. These are perfect crafts for kids. So I ended up getting several of the hedgehog, but I wanted to show you guys what these look like for $4.99. So this is the size of the stepping stone. It's already done for you. And then it also comes with some paint. So you get 2 different sizes of paintbrushes, and then you get all your paints that would work for the hedgehog. If you're looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift, there's so many to choose from right now at Aldi. These keychains are absolutely adorable. I especially like the little claw clips that they have. And then bag keychains are super popular. You can add these to any purse that you have. Each of the keychains is $4.99. I love getting Mother's Day cards here. They're priced at $1.99 and they're super fun cards for the price. Have you ever bought socks at Aldi? I have not. These are priced at $4.99, but they're the little ruffle socks that I love wearing. They come in 3 different colors, and then they also have these floral ones. If you guys have little ones and you're looking for a good summer shoe, come here. These are $5.99. I think these are absolutely adorable. The size range right now is 5 to 12, and they come in 4 different colors. There's so many great outdoor items out right now. This little Aldi string chair is right under $50. You can get it in the natural string or they have the black one. I absolutely love this bird feeder, you guys. It's clear acrylic and it suctions onto your window so you can see the birds come up. Look how cute this is. I'm gonna get this and try it out, but I have a lot of squirrels in my yard, so they might like this better than the birds. I'm excited to try out this window bird feeder. It comes with 4 of the suction cups to put on your window. I'm also curious if it's going to hold on there well, but let me show you what the house looks like. So your house looks like this. You just put the food container on the bottom and then you can add in your food. Now my Aldi didn't have any bird food, so we stopped at Hy-Vee and picked these up. Okay, I read the directions. I'm gonna put the 4 suction cups on the back. Now I'm gonna fill each side up with different bird seed. All right, the directions say to use rubbing alcohol or glass cleaner, clean your window really well, and let it dry. Okay, so next you want to suction this on really well. So it says to suction each of the cups on for 10 to 15 seconds. Now we'll just add in our food tray. If you're wanting to reduce the amount of plastic you're using, you could get a ceramic colander. This one's really cute. You could rinse all your fruit off in it. If you're looking for a great decorative fruit bowl, you may want to consider this one for $14.99. This looks similar to a bowl I just saw at Walmart. I was looking at all their new spring home decor finds. If you want to look at any of those, I'll put the QR code right here, but this would be great sitting out on your countertop. I had to pick up this bowl. I'm gonna set it over here, and then you could really add anything. I'm gonna add some lemons that I got at Aldi. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Aldi. I feel like the best thing at Aldi is all of their kitchen items. I really like these snackle boxes because my girls have been taking these to tournaments for lunches, but they're just too big usually. I like the size of these. You can fit a good amount of snacks in them and they come in a variety of colors. You could also pick them up in a 2-pack, which is their mini size. Now, we do have some gifts that you could give to teachers. These cups right here are right under $4. You could put a gift card in there or some fun candy. Let me show you the different teacher ones. They have this one. They also have one for nurses. And this cup says, in my teacher era. It looks like there's one that's a coffee option, but my store is already sold out. Now, if you're worried that you have to get to Aldi right on Wednesday to get all the deals, you really don't. I mean, my store has stuff from the previous week that is still out in my store. So just get there anytime you can, and you may be surprised that you can find those items you're looking for. I love little bags like this. These could be great for a teacher appreciation gift. You could get the bag, put in some of their favorite things. So this one says best teacher. You also have this one that says teacher era. You have an inspire one. This one says teacher stuff. This is a snacks one, so you could use this for anything. These bags are priced right at $6.99. The teacher appreciation cards are adorable and they're 99 cents. That beats the prices you can get them at Dollar Tree. Now, if you like a desktop planner, these are really cute. I used to use a desktop planner like a year ago. I've kind of stopped doing that, but I really like this one. Really adorable, and it's not huge, so it's not going to take up a ton of room, but you can get this yellow and blue one, and then they also have a few other options. They have these gorgeous little bouquets of flowers. These are faux, but they're priced right under $10, so you could gift these for Mother's Day. This is the more neutral version, but they do have ones that are much more colorful. They also have this wicker basket set. You get 2 different baskets with handles. Love the checkered print on here. My store only has the cream left. I'm not seeing the price on these Aldi pillows, but they're gorgeous. Especially catching my eye are these green ones. They have several different styles, but how pretty is that for spring? This would be great sitting in a chair. They also have some more neutral options. So you could do something like this one, or if you're wanting more of a pink pillow, they have this cute little heart. This would be adorable in a girl's room. The last time I was shopping at Walmart, I found some Love Shack fancy inspired cups that were really affordable. I was impressed with those. I ended up picking up the pink one, but when I was walking by here, I saw these, you guys. These are priced really well too. They're under $10 and they're 40-ounce tumblers. I mean, we just don't need to spend a lot on tumblers anymore because you can get them affordably. But I like this yellow one. They also have a blue option. It looks like my store might be sold out of the purple and the green. Now, Aldi has planters like you would find at Dollar Tree or at Walmart, but they just don't have as many options. Let me show you what they do have. So they have this 12-inch self-watering planter. It comes in 3 different colors. It's priced under $5, but this is a plastic one. If you're wanting something that looks a little bit more ceramic, you could get this one. This one's under $4.99 too. They have this kind of like burnt orange color. I think the ones I like are this black one right here, or you can get it in white. This little style is really popular right now. Now, if you're looking for some more planters, I'm gonna put the QR code right here to all of my favorite Walmart planters. They have a ton to choose from. There's also these cute little animal planters. These are $3.99. I love this little one right here. You could put any plant inside. You could also get the bee, or they have the frog. This planter reminds me of one that I have from Walmart, but it's a fraction of the price at $12.99. You can get it in this natural wicker color. They also have it in black. Now, if you're looking for an affordable outdoor rug, Aldi has 6-foot by 9-foot rugs. They come in 3 different colors and they're priced under $25. Now, they are bright colors, so you're going to need to like bright colors, or you could get this gray option. It also says that they're reversible, so you could use them on either side. So many bird feeders to choose from. Now, these Aldi had last year. They must have been really popular, so they decided to bring them back. This little picnic table one we picked up last year. There's lots of pet accessories out this week. The one that caught my eye is this travel pet bag. So it looks like a bag, but it has snaps on the edge, so you can unfold this to protect the seats in your car. You can get it in this green color. It also comes in a cream option. These pet beds are fancy. They're under $25. This is a little big for Moose. They come in 2 colors. You can get a cream or a gray. It's that time of year where Aldi put out all of their new gardening stuff, and we usually find some of the best deals. These galvanized garden beds are new this week. They're under $20. I feel like I need this. This is a mini drop-over greenhouse. It's $7.99, but this time of year, it'll get really cold, so I need to protect some of my outdoor plants. These are a 2-pack of solar garden lights. I'm thinking that they might fit on this galvanized garden bed. They also have their hose accessories out. This lawn edger is $14.99, cheaper than you could get it on Amazon, and there's a few other garden tools you can pick up this week. There's also a metal planter that comes with storage. Right now they put out the Aldi 50-year anniversary gear, and there's some really cool items. These cups, if you like Aldi, are going to be ones that you want to pick up. There's 6 different styles and they're priced right under $10. So you have this pink one, the black and gold one. They have orange and blue. This one's really cute with the daisies on it. And then they also have this green option with daisies. They also have these Aldi branded tennis shoes. They're actually pretty cute. They're in a light pink color, and then they have the Aldi logo on them. How great are these totes? They're $12.99. You can get them in black or the cream. These are a thick puffer style tote. There's even Aldi clothing. You can get the Aldi hoodies and sweatshirts, and then they also have these tracksuits. The tracksuits are $14.99. You can save a bunch of money on your glass mixing bowls by getting them here at Aldi. This is a 4-piece set that comes with the lids. A few clothing options geared for mothers. They have these Mother's Day t-shirts that are $6.99. This one says Mama, Mommy, Mom, Bruh. You have a mama shirt. It looks like a dog mom shirt. Have you guys tried the Aldi pajamas? You know how much I love the Walmart pajamas, the Joy Spun. They're amazing. If you're looking for any of my favorite Walmart pajamas, I'll put the QR code right here. I absolutely love them. But I've been wondering about these pajamas here at Aldi because they're $12.99, which is honestly cheaper than some of the Walmart ones. So let me know down in the comments if you like them. But they have a few different styles that I think are gonna be perfect for spring going into summer. They also have a romper over here. I've never bought any clothing here as well. These get me so excited for the summer. These little molds are so cute. You have these little ice pops you can make. You can also get them in this sports theme. And if you're needing new ice packs, which I feel like we're always losing ice packs at my house, you can get a cute little 2-pack. These are perfect to throw in your lunch boxes. Now I really like these soap dispensers in the amber color. They're under $5. You can put any soap in you want. They also have like a clear option as well. My only thing with that is if I don't have clear hand soap, it's not gonna look as good in there. So I usually go for something like this. Now if you're gonna be traveling anywhere and you need an extra tote, consider getting one of these. These are under $5. They fit really compactly in your suitcase. And then if you're somewhere you buy items and you need a little tote, you can pull this out and use it. If you are a fan of Lego, you can save $5 this week on the Sunflower Lego. This is priced at Aldi at $54.99. On other comparable sites, it's $59.99. You could also get the tulip option as well. We love putting together puzzles in my family. There's 3 different options and they're calling these premium puzzles. They're right under $9.99. This one is 1,000 pieces, but I love the little containers that it comes in. Aldi also came out with some fun, playful earrings, and I feel like you get quite a few earrings for the price. These are all very colorful. In some of these sets, you're able to get 3 earrings for $4.99. Let me show you some of the new food options you may want to pick up. Now, I love that Aldi carries regular pesto. This is great. It's priced at $2.45, but they also have a new pesto option. You can get a lemon pesto or a calabrese pesto. We got to get these and try these out. My family is a huge fan of the Dots pretzels. These are a dupe for them. They're priced at $3.85, which is cheaper than you're going to get Dots for. They have the original flavor. They also get the honey mustard. Now, we always get the original, so let's try them out. I found a bag of Dots in my pantry, so let's compare. Okay, this is your Aldi version, and this is the Dots. You guys, these taste so similar. They have that same great buttery flavoring. I feel like if you like Dots, these are a great option at Aldi. Now, if you come to Aldi and you're wondering, okay, what are the new items? Look for this sticker right here, you guys. There's always a new price tag next to items that are new. Now, this item's kind of interesting. These are mini fudge dipped cookie bites. They have a strawberry version and a blueberry lemon. Have you guys tried out the new protein bagels? They come in a plain version and an everything bagel. My family really likes the everything bagel option, so I'm gonna get these and see what they think. I feel like I buy the majority of my stuff back here. I love these little salads. They're a good price, cheaper than you can get them at Walmart, and they make a great quick lunch. I never have time to eat lunch, and I know at least I'm eating something healthy. Now, if you're wanting pre-portioned snacks, these, you get 3 of them for $2.59, better than you can get like the Sargento packs. You can get the crackers and cheese. I also really like this one, the little mini pretzels and cheese. Have you guys tried this protein pudding? It's 15 grams of protein. You can get vanilla and chocolate. My family goes through a lot of these Oh Snap pickles, and you can save some money here getting them at Aldi. These you can get 6 for $4.99. All right, these, you guys, these are gonna be perfect crafts. Now, you could do these with kids, but I love doing them myself. This is a little handmade soap kit for $7.99. This is going in my cart. All right, let's look at what comes with the handmade soap kit. I'm thinking this is going to be similar. So you're going to get a soap mold. It looks like each of these molds has soap in it. So it looks like you would be able to make 3 soaps. You also have 1 dye, and you also get a gold leaf sheet. You can see on the front if you wanted to create a gold leaf, that would be kind of fun. And then you also get the recipe book. So this is going to show you different recipes you can do with adding in the gold leaf. You're only gonna be able to make about 2 soaps with what comes in the kit. I do think it would be a fun project to do though. This one, let's see what this one is. Botanical cross stitch. I wish I could do this, but I'm not very good at cross stitch. These are a pressed flower kit. That's gonna be fun. We'll get that one, but the one I'm really excited about, my daughter is gonna love this one. This is where you can make your own bath bombs. Now, sometimes it's hard to know if these kits are worth getting, so I was gonna kind of go through it for you and show you what materials you'll get for $7.99. So this is the bath bomb kit. So the bath bomb kit looks pretty easy to do. I like that it has all of these different recipes in here that you could use. And if you do run out of materials, you could get some of these items. So I like that it has a recipe book. I will say it doesn't come with very much of the powders that you'll need. It says that it only makes 2 of them. You also get the sphere mold, and you're also gonna get 4 of the dyes so that you can change the color. I wish that it would make more than 2. I think maybe 6 would be good. So I feel like for the price, I probably wouldn't get this again. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Aldi. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.